to channel Lives on Flames. So I'm here in South Island for the very first time. So I've come here with my wife and her family, so we thought we'll just look around what South Island has got to offer us. At the moment, we are staying at an Airbnb near the city center. It's a beautiful house, really comfortable for 6 people. Everything's readily available, from kitchen utensils to more towels and blankets, along with the heater and electric blankets because it gets quite cold at nights. Even Eddie Teddy over here was super cold last night. I had to wrap him up in a warm blanket. The interior and the garden outside are nice as well. I would review it an 8 out of 10 based on comfort, price and location. As you can see, it's very cold. It's pouring down from the heavens. We have got snow falling down. Very cold. Make sure when you guys come in, you guys have plenty of warm clothing here. Please make sure. I was only going to bring a couple of shorts and a couple of sweaters, but I got told off by my wife. So best advice, listen to your wife. While you're traveling, you listen to your wife. Sadly, the weather doesn't seem to be on our side. We had planned to go to Akaroa, which is a beautiful town in the southeast of Christchurch. Its point of difference is that it was the only French settlement in New Zealand, influencing its historic buildings and fine dining restaurants. It's about 75 kilometers from Christchurch, and it took us an hour and a half by car. Even in a small town like this, there's so much to see and do. If you're planning on coming here, you can plan and book a range of activities like hiking, kayaking, swimming with the dolphins, nature cruises, or visiting the museum. But in this unpleasant weather, we couldn't really do anything touristy. We walked around the Akaroa Harbour, which even in the rain was quite a beautiful sight. Then we had lunch in La Thai restaurant, which was just by the waterfront. I had been craving Thai food for a while, and I would easily give this place an 8 out of 10 based on the menu, price, location and ambience. The interior of the restaurant was beautiful and the atmosphere was really nice. The staff was super friendly, and overall we had a delicious and filling lunch. The best thing about the drive from Christchurch to Akaroa and back is the view. We stopped at a lookout point and just look at this, such a beautiful sight. Christchurch is the largest city in the South Island. It has been redeveloped since the earthquakes, so now it's even more beautiful and lively. You will be able to experience the famous tram rides, delicious food, beautiful architecture, and see a lot of statues and public art displays. Speaking of art, my wife and her family are all art lovers, so the Christchurch Art Gallery had to be in the itinerary. We parked off street because the gallery parking was full. The building itself is really unique. There are a few different exhibitions at the moment, and some of the work is quite incredible. Art is subjective, and there's a lot of things considered art nowadays, but we should learn to find the beauty in everything around us. What's next on the list? Well, we are quite hungry now, so let's head to the Riverside market for some delicious food. It's an indoor market open 7 days a week with boutique retail, selling locally sourced food, restaurants, cafes, and bars. It's quite a unique experience. Plus, it's so busy inside. There's so many food choices. There's so many things to try. We decided to go with some dumplings from Kathmandu Momo House and South Indian food from Dosa Kitchen. Both cuisines were amazing, an easy 10 out of 10 for the whole market experience, based on variety, food, price, and ambience. I also tried the Danish from Bellbird and it was so delicious. I highly recommend trying their pastries as well. For the short time we are in Christchurch, we obviously can't experience everything the city has to offer. But how could we come here and not visit the heart of the city, the Christchurch Cathedral? It's full on raining, so we can't get a proper look, but at the moment it's being repaired, restored and strengthened after the earthquake in 2011. You know, Christchurch is known as the Garden City, but I would like to name it as Windy City. But we have had a fun couple of days here and it's definitely been exciting. So Christchurch, we'll see you again someday, hopefully in the summer. and we'll see you guys next in Lake Tekapo. Until next time, eat healthy, stay safe, stay fit.